Are you looking for daily, healthy tips to improve your well-being? Look no further. We've got you covered with some simple yet effective ways to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Firstly, start your day with a glass of warm water and lemon. This natural detoxifier can help kickstart your metabolism and provide a boost of vitamin C. It's a great way to begin your day feeling refreshed and energized. And next, make sure to incorporate exercise into your daily routine. Whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga session, or an intense workout, moving your body has incredible benefits. Exercise not only helps you maintain a healthy weight, but also releases endorphins, which can lift your mood and reduce stress levels. Another crucial aspect of maintaining good health is getting enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep is essential for your body to repair and rejuvenate itself. It helps improve cognitive function, boost your immune system, and maintain healthy hormone levels. Remember to include a variety of fruits and vegetables in your diet. These nutrient-rich foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Try to consume at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables daily to support your overall health. Additionally, stay hydrated by drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day. Water helps with digestion, maintains healthy skin, and prevents dehydration. Carry a water bottle with you wherever you go, ensuring that you stay hydrated wherever you are. Lastly, prioritize your mental health. Take time for yourself each day to relax and unwind. Engage in activities that bring you joy and help reduce stress, such as reading, meditation, or spending time with loved ones. A healthy mind contributes to a healthy body. By incorporating these daily healthy tips into your routine, you can achieve a well-balanced lifestyle. Small changes can make a big difference in your overall well-being. Start incorporating these tips today and watch as your health improves day by day.